Dirty car? Dirty interior? Sticky steering wheel? In this case, I have a special number for you. Tired of wasting time in car wash lines? We offer a convenient solution, a mobile car wash that comes to you. Why choose us? Self-sufficient. We bring our own water and electricity, fully equipped for any job. We come to you. Home, work, or any location convenient for you. Flexible payments. We offer cashless payment and all other payment methods. Professional expertise. Our equipment and experience handle all levels of dirt. We are true professionals in our field. We are fully insured. Our public liability insurance from Howden covers any damage to your vehicle. Efficient cleaning process. Our detailing processes ensure a quick and effective clean, making your interior look like new. High quality and convenient for you. A clean car is part of good health. Special number for booking: 08-7381-9350. Book now and your car will gleam at your door.